In front of me is Apple iPhone 13 mini, and let me show you how to reset keyboard dictionary on this device. So first of all, just open the settings, then go to General, scroll down and pick Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now click on Reset and then select Reset Keyboard Dictionary here. And then provide your pattern or passcode. Then enter it again just to confirm and tap on Reset Dictionary. And I believe it has been already done, so that will be all. Congrats, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.